These are your notes for Chapter 9, Section 3, Levers in the Human Body. So the human body is a complex machine, and really we have a lot of joints that give us a lot of different levers, different spots where our body pivots around a fulcrum. One type of lever is the third-class lever, and when you use a broom, you're using it like a third-class lever, where the input force is in the middle. You're pushing on that, the output force is the broom moving, and it gives you a wide range of motion at the bottom, while at the top you don't have to move nearly as much. Machines don't always multiply force. In this case, it's multiplying your speed. Your arms and legs are also third-class levers because the input forces are the muscles in between the fulcrum and the output force. The output force in this case is what you're accomplishing with those hands and feet. In your body, all your bones are the levers and your joints act as the fulcrum. So here's your neck acting as a first-class lever, right, where you've got the input force here, the fulcrum in the middle, and the output force is your head moving. A second-class lever, like standing on your toes, you've got the fulcrum down at the bottom, the output force is the weight that you're lifting, and the input force is this calf muscle here. And that's it for Chapter 9.